Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for Banquet Hall. Very quickly, I'll go through the document and I'll show you the financial model. It has an automated table of content, so as you add content, these page numbers will adjust for you. It starts with the executive summary, outlining the operations of the business. And the charts and graphs that you see throughout the document can be modified for your needs, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Chapter 2 is an overview of the capital you're looking to raise. Chapter 3 is an overview of your operations and revenue centers, and you can expand this as needed. Chapter 4 is the industry research, and we update that yearly. Chapter 5 is your marketing plan. Chapter 6 is the overview of your organization. Headcount and payroll, which again you can all modify. Chapter 7 is the financial plan, which is done on a 3-year basis and has a profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, break-even analysis, and business ratios. And then in year 1, we break down the profit and loss monthly. In year 2, it's quarterly. In year 3, it's quarterly. And the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year, and then quarterly for year 2, and quarterly for year 3. Let me just scroll back up real quick. And here's the financial model. Very easy to use. Pretty much everything is done on this one tab. Right away, you may have noticed this dashboard here. This allows you to see in real time any changes you're making and how they'll impact your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow analysis. So for instance, let me just change this to $125,000 for event fees for the first month. As you can see, this updated, and it carried throughout all the other tabs as well. Once you make your revenue adjustments here, and you can add revenue centers as needed. From there, you put your expenses here and your growth rate there. From there, you enter in your salaries, your headcount, and out comes your payroll. And here's your breakdown in percentage-wise of your payroll as well. Your revenue overview, your source of funds and use of funds, and you can adjust this as needed. And out comes your profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, those expanded profit and loss statements you saw at the end, the same deal with the cash flow analysis, your loan amortization table, tax assumptions, break-even analysis, and your business ratios. And that's essentially it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us anytime. We know these things can get complicated, so we're always happy to help. And thank you again for taking a look. Take care.